What's good, wholesale family? Yes, this channel is Wholesale to Life, and right here I have found another property that I want to tell you about. I found this one on Listsource, y'all. So before we get started, I want y'all to definitely subscribe to the channel because I'm trying to grow the channel, you know what I'm saying, and definitely like the channel so I can definitely get this out to more people, you know what I'm saying. YouTube will definitely help me do that by y'all liking the channel. So do that for me, and let's get into it. During the coronavirus, a lot of people been out of work or unemployed and just looking for extra income from work or from home. And the best way to work or make money from home is through wholesaling, virtual wholesaling. So for the people that's new to the channel, subscribe so y'all can get caught up on what's going on. Go check out the other videos. And driving for dollars was my main way of finding my leads. You know, I would drive for dollars, and I still think that's the best way. But with this coronavirus going on, it's just safer to stay home. So when things happen like that, you don't change your goal, you change the plan. We just gonna find another way to succeed. So what we did was we found Listsource. Listsource is a great place to find leads. You can use it for direct mail. So what I did was I went to listsource.com. I created an account. Once you create an account, you have several different options. You can search by geographic. You can search by city and state. You can search by equity. It's so many different options in Listsource to target the people that you want to target. You know, so you can make the list as big as you want, as short as you want. If you have a budget where you only want to spend maybe $50 to $100 or $200 to $500 or $500 to $5,000, you know, you can make that list to stay in your budget so you can target these people. And what I did was I started off with about $100 and I made a list and I target those people. I sent some mail out and I got a call back. So I talked to the guy over the phone and we texted a little bit and he emailed me some pictures. I emailed him some things back. We got the paperwork signed online and it just was a really good and easy process, you know, and I wanted to turn more people onto this because a lot of people is looking for ways to make money from home. And this is a great way to virtually wholesale. I started off wholesaling when I was going out meeting the seller, you know, meeting the buyers, but it's just so much better to do it virtually where you can research this stuff from online. I got so much more information for y'all. Y'all need to definitely, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe now because I'm about to be uploading a whole bunch of new videos telling y'all different strategies and different ways and different things that have worked for me. But back to this. See, if you look here, you will notice that I'm just taking my time playing with the different tabs. You got, if you go to the top, you got the tabs right here. You got mortgage, property, all type of different tabs. And you really just got to take your time and just play with it so you can narrow down and target the people that you're looking for. You can find your contact your sellers on here. And you also can find hotspots and buyers list too. So if you subscribe to the channel, come back, and I'll definitely make another video on how to do that. It's just so much information. This source is so powerful, y'all, and I needed to get that out. I'm just trying to give y'all weapons to sharpen y'all tools with. You know, driving for dollars is great, and Listsource is another great option. I will attack both of them. You know, if you got the funds to do both, you know, definitely do it. Like I said, anybody that does drive for dollars, that's Deal Machine. I got the little $49 plan a month, and it works great for me, you know. And as far as Listsource, this is something that I'm definitely going to be using more of. I love it, and I think that y'all should check it out. So definitely subscribe to the channel, y'all. We're trying to grow to 1,000 subscribers, man. Help your boy get to 1,000 subscribers. I'm trying to bring y'all that heat. Yes, I'm trying to bring y'all that heat. So come back. I'm out.